Today we're gonna bring in some dog toys, and these are little awesome little toys because you can put cookies and candies, and they have little ringers, and you have other places to hide some treats. And these are great for their teeth when they're babies or they're adults. They got a lot of dirty teeth. This is perfect. Avoid taking to the vet sometimes. This is perfect for them. They're gonna chew it, and you just stuff it with either peanut butter in here, other items. But they actually open up a little bit so you could hide the treat in there. And in case they break off some of they give you an extra handle so you can put it in there. Very simple, easy to use. We're gonna take a look at this one right here. And this is flexible. You guys can see that. This one has some ringers, some little bow, little jingle thing. And this is just a rolling one for the teeth. So we'll put it to the use. Let's see which one they like first, all right?